Hello, young artists. Today we are going to draw an engine. Start by drawing letter E. E for engine, yes? Draw big one. Now make the center line longer. Then join it with the top and the bottom line with a standing line. After that, make the bottom line long as well. Now draw a big oval here between the two lines. Then draw 3 wheels at the bottom with a small circle inside it. Now draw 2 small lines and a rectangle at the top. And some smoky clouds. Draw number 11 in this rectangle and your engine is done. Color it as you like. Enjoy!